Hello, my name is Caitlin Rule, and this is my introduction video for AEP 858. You can see on my first slide I have a few different pictures of me, and that's because this year is a little bit different. So I thought I would show you what I look like without my mask on, and then show you what I look like with my mask on with what my students get to see me like every day. Then I've also got my Bitmoji up in the corner for when we go remotely sometimes, and then my video down in the corner because all four ways are the different ways that my students got to see me this year, so I thought it would be fun to show you all four ways. So a little bit about me. The picture there in the corner, that's my little family. I've got my husband Chandler and my daughter Charlie. My daughter is taking up most of my slide because I am completely obsessed with her. She is 9 months old and she just had her first snow and her first Christmas, and I just can't get enough of spending time with her. Down in the corner, I've also got my other fur baby, and his name is Bo. He is a golden retriever. And then my husband has his fur baby, which is his partner in crime, and he takes him out to work every day. His name is Kane. And so in the middle, you can see Kane wasn't too sure about Bo at first, but now I think they get along pretty well. Then in the other corner above my video, you can see a couple things I like to do. I like to go running, especially when it's warmer outside. Right here is a picture of me doing a half marathon in Nashville. And then next to it you can see my Bitmoji reading a book and drinking coffee, and that's something I love to do when I get the chance. My background in education, I have been teaching second grade for 6 years. My first 4 years were on base at Fort Riley at a school called Ware Elementary. And then I am in my second year of teaching second grade at Auburn Elementary, which is a part of the Auburn-Washburn School District. Auburn-Washburn is a part of Topeka, Kansas, and a little bit on the outskirts in Auburn, Kansas. So it kind of covers that whole area. So I teach at Auburn Elementary, so I'm on the outskirts of Topeka and kind of in that rural area. My goals, I hope to be in administration after I finish my master's. I want to continue to grow in leadership and to help others along the way. Some reasons to grow are I've really dug deep and seen the bigger picture of education. So kind of stepping outside my classroom, now I can see education is so much more than just your classroom, and I just love to learn and love to grow, and so I hope to bring new ideas and help make changes along the way. Now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my critical reflection on data in my school, some personal critiques of my knowledge on data use, and my proposal plan to improve current knowledge of data use. So here you can see some different kinds of data that we use in my school. We do a school-wide test that's called Ames Web, and we do it for math and reading. We also take data on behavioral and demographics, also IEPs and 504 plans, pre-assessment scores, standardized test scores, and of course chapter tests within classrooms. So these all help with the Lexile scores, with daily instruction, tutoring, guided reading level, small groups, special education, one-on-one help, gifted program, other services, policy, and curriculum. So we use all of that data to help us to guide the students and where they might need to be and what help we can give them. So my personal critique of my knowledge on data use, I've highlighted what I've used. I didn't highlight standardized test scores because I've only taught second grade, and standardized test scores have started in third grade, so that's why I don't have that one highlighted. But I also added in that it can help with daily instruction on pairing students with accommodations for all students, helping curriculum fit the needs. So if it seems too hard, I can reteach. If it seems too easy, I can also make it more challenging. So I've used the different data to help guide me in how to teach my students and reach their needs. So my proposal plan to improve my current knowledge of data use, I think it would be smart to analyze the school-wide data to kind of see what that looks like, and then comparing it district-wide and maybe even statewide to see where our school stands. Maybe observe data that I'm unaware of so that I don't know, maybe there's some that I need more knowledge on. And then maybe research past data improvements to see how we got to where we are and where we can move forward with our school and improvement from there. Thank you.